Tire replacement and maintenance on vehicles with TPMS sensors can be done easily in your own garage with 3 inexpensive portable tools: a hand tire changer, a bubble balancer, and the TPMS80 from CGSULIT. The device is a full-service TPMS tool and OBD2 scanner and comes neatly packaged in a rugged carrying case. It supports all 10 test modes of OBD2, reads universal TPMS sensor data, diagnoses the TPMS system, scans sensor IDs, programs replacement sensors, relearns the new sensors to the vehicle, checks key fobs, and can be updated. For all of its features, check out the link in the video description. To diagnose and shut off the tire pressure warning light, the first step is to scan each sensor. So we'll pick quick mode, say yes, and we'll put in the vehicle we're working on. It's a Chevy, tracks, and these are the years. And it says scan all sensors. You have some choices. We're going to scan all sensors. And it says go to the front left and scan that one first. First the left front. After clicking yes, we can check out the status of each sensor. All the batteries are normal, temperature is normal, and the pressures are normal. If anything was out of whack in this chart, we would know which sensor was bad. If you did find a bad sensor, the next step is to program or activate a new one for the vehicle you're working on. The way to do that is place the new sensor in front of the tool as you see here and select Advanced Mode. And I'm going to get real close to the screen so you can see exactly what's happening. We'll select Advanced Mode and select the car you're working on, Chevy, tracks, the year, program sensor, down to number 2, copy by activate or activation. We'll say yes. And do we want to do the left front, right rear, and so on? Let's just do the left front. Say yes. Right now it's searching, programming the sensor. And it's done. It's ready to be installed. After installation of the new sensor, the last step is position relearn. And you have 3 ways you can do this: OBD2, stationary, or copy. And we'll just pick the first one, and it'll give you specific instructions, exact instructions on what you have to do. So we'll click yes, and you just follow those instructions, and I'll just scroll through those real quick. And 7 is the last step. You would press OK, and you'd go about doing what they asked to relearn. The TPMS80 is also an OBD2 scanner with all 10 modes of OBD2. You can check out your latest test, review data, and set up your device. Under this you have update. You update this using a laptop, your settings, and about the tool. The best thing about the CGSULIT TPMS80 is how easy it is to use. If you do have a question about the step you're on, just hit the question mark button. I hope you enjoyed this video on an easy, fast, accurate tire pressure service tool, the TPMS80. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.